Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook deer backstrap. First, ensure your backstrap is properly prepared. Carefully trim away all silver skin and any excess fat, as these can make the meat tough. Next, pat the backstrap completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a good sear. Finally, season the meat generously on all sides with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Now let's get that beautiful sear. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place the seasoned backstrap into the hot skillet. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, allowing a rich, deep brown crust to develop. This initial sear locks in the juices and builds incredible flavor. After searing, we'll finish the cooking process in the oven. Transfer your seared backstrap to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to monitor the internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This typically takes about 8 to 12 minutes, but always rely on your thermometer for accuracy, as cooking times vary with thickness. The final, crucial step is resting the meat. Once your backstrap reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven and place it on a cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for a full 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result. Finally, slice the backstrap against the grain into half-inch thick medallions and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.